With today's economy and the housing market continuing to implode, you need to know what to do if you're faced with losing your home. Teisha Powell is an attorney and an author, and she's here to talk about how to survive foreclosure. That's her new book. Welcome, Teisha.
Thank you so much, Trina. Thanks for having me.
How do we get in this situation with the housing market being so bad in the first place?
Well, you know, when the loans came out probably in 2005 through 2007, a lot of banks pushed these liar loans onto buyers. They had loans where the buyer had no documentation, no verification of employment, no tax return, and the borrower actually obtained a loan. And now we're beginning to see the fallout. You really can't just say you're employed and not actually verified. So I think that the lenders are beginning to see the fallout from not having a traditional mortgage. And the Homeowner's Guide to Surviving Foreclosure, I talk to homeowners on what they need to do in order to obtain a loan modification or even to get maybe, cheaper mortgage payments, how to do a Chapter 13 because a repayment plan can help the homeowner save their home.
Alrighty, who should be reading your book? Should you be reading it if you're underwater or if you think you're going to run into trouble?
Actually, yes, homeowners who are underwater, who have missed a mortgage payment, who are already probably even in foreclosure need to read this book. This book covers chapters on just everything a homeowner needs to know to walk away from a property if there's no alternate, or there's a game plan how to save the home from foreclosure. It covers forbearance, loan modification, bankruptcy. There's a program out there called short pay refinance. That's when there's no equity in the property and the homeowner can actually get a mortgage. So the book covers that as well. It also tells homeowner how to pick a realtor if there's a short sale involved, and how to avoid a deficiency judgment, how to do a deed in lieu of foreclosure.
Do you need a lawyer to go through a foreclosure, or is it something you can just do on yourself? You said you need a realtor.
Yes, it depends, because if the homeowner is able to save the home, then maybe the homeowner could speak with the lender, loss mitigation department, and then they'll be able to obtain a modification. But if there's no alternate, they're probably going to need a lawyer because there are liability, there are tax consequences, and the homeowner can also be sued for years to come. Their checks can be garnished, so you probably need a lawyer who can help negotiate the release of probably the debt.
Well, there was some news this morning that actually the number of foreclosures in recent months has actually gone down a lot. Should we think that things are getting better then?
You know, most people think things are getting better, but there's a robust signature. Most of the lenders and their attorneys, the lenders' attorneys, they were just signing affidavit. The robust signature is verifying that they really have actual knowledge,
so
and they
the actual homeowner didn't sign off on the paperwork or something like that. Is that what you're saying?
The lender did not verify anything. They were just trying to push all these foreclosures through the court system, and now they're saying under oath that they're verifying that the amount the homeowner owes is correct, and it's not correct. So the lenders are just suspending their foreclosure practice. They're trying to figure a way around the court system. So most people think, oh look, the foreclosures are only at 17% nationwide. It's going down. It's not going down. A lot have been suspended, and we expect to see those coming in the market soon.
Oh, so another wave of this is coming.
Yes, that's true.
Okay.
Yes.
Why did you write the book? What were you seeing in your practice that said, hey, I've got to get this information out there?
Hundreds of homeowners are in foreclosure. A lot of these loans are fraudulent, predator lending, and I just recognize that if the homeowner get the information, knowledge is power, they'll be able to save the home. Most homeowners don't even know what a foreclosure is. They have no idea where to go for help. There's a lot of scam artists that are just taking all these fees from the homeowner, telling the homeowner to deed the property over to them, which is not correct, because anybody who tells you to deed a property over, you're not getting a modification. They're actually taking the home from you. So most homeowners do not know where to get help. And I figured I'm never going to see all these homeowners. There are 5 million people in foreclosure today, so if I could get the book out there, the homeowner will have the knowledge. They can just read it, follow along, simple terms they need to pick up on, loan modification, you know what the HAMP program, non-HAMP program is, where to go for help, what to do, and then they'll be able to save the home from foreclosure.
Well, Teisha, thank you so much. You're a wealth of knowledge. We'll have to have you back because so many folks are in this situation, and of course it's a scary and emotional situation for folks. Your book is called
The Homeowner's Guide to Surviving Foreclosure, and it's available for purchase on Amazon.com.
Or give her a call at her law office. The phone number is 561-929-7229. And again, to stop your foreclosure in Florida, check out stopforeclosure.com. We'll be right back.